Hi everyone, it's time for more coding. So you'll see down at the bottom, I'm just making a new sheet so I can keep working in my same document, but you can always open a new Google Sheet to try out today's lesson. And today's lesson is going to take formulas and make them more powerful. So in last week's, we were able to make a calculator by putting in things like add these boxes, subtract these boxes, multiply these boxes. Today, we're going to actually combine some words into our formulas to let the computer read what's in the boxes, even when it's not always a number. So what do I mean? Let's say I'm going to put a word in here. I'll put any word. Let's make it be computer. Right? If I want my computer to be able to read that word, what I need to do is I'm going to say equals, then I'm going to use if. And if lets you fill in an if-then statement. So I'm going to say if this box is the same as, and I'm going to put it in quotation marks because it's a word, computer, then I'm just going to have it say, it says computer. So I have the box, it equals this word computer. Then I have a comma, and then what do I want to do if it does equal to computer? I want it to say, oh, it says computer. So how does this work? So this box reads this box and it lets you know, yeah, it does say computer. But if I type something else in this box, let's say I type book, now I get false because it doesn't say computer anymore. If I wanted to, let's try something else, apple, still false. If I wanted to, I could actually go in and add, well, what do you do if it doesn't say computer? Let's say it doesn't say computer. So now when I type something here, let's type headphones. It doesn't say computer. Let's type computer. It says computer. Right? So we're teaching the computer or Google Sheets how to read this word. Right? So let's try something else. Let's try it with numbers. We can do the same thing. We can say equals if, and let's say the number is 9. Let's say this equals 9. What do I want to do if it does equal 9? Maybe I want to say 9. Oh, but it's really important that I put 9 in quotation marks, because if I want it to type a word, it needs quotation marks. And then if it's not 9, we'll say not 9. So I have if this box equals 9, then it will say 9. And if it doesn't equal 9, it will say not 9. So right now there's nothing there, so it's not 9. Let's try 7. Let's try 12. Let's try 9. All right, it works. Now, let's make it a little more complicated. How about if I want to know something is a 2-digit or a 3-digit number? So if this box is less than 100, so anything less than 100 can go in that box. That would mean it's a 2-digit number. And then if it's greater than that, then we'll say it's a 3-digit number. So right now it's 0. But 0 isn't a 2-digit number. Let's try some more. Let's see, 13. That's a 2-digit number. How about 704? Okay, that's a 3-digit number. How about 113? Okay, how about 79? Okay, how about 99? Okay, so far so good. How about, oh wait, couldn't I type in 1,984, 5? Well, that's not a 3-digit number. So as coders, it's really important to test, test, test. Because you might think that your code makes sense, but as you test things, you might realize, oh wait, I didn't think about the fact that, yeah, anything under 100 is going to be a 2-digit number, except, wait a second, what if I type 2? 2 is not a 2-digit number. So something went wrong with this because not everything less than 100 is 2 digits, and not everything greater than 100 is 3 digits. I could have a 4-digit or a 5-digit. So this code isn't going to work. I would have to rework it to figure out, well, how do I make it work? So I might do something like this. If I might use another. Now it says if this box is greater than 9 and less than 100, it's a 2-digit number. Oops. So now, oh, now I have a new problem. Now it says 7 is a 3-digit number, so I'm getting further away. So I'd have to keep changing it, keep working on it. And sometimes it's not possible, right? Not a 2-digit number. Oh, now it says 43 is not a 2-digit number. So I'd have to keep messing with it. And that's kind of the fun part about coding is you have to try to find different ways to make it work. Right? So we're going to stop there, and I'm actually going to do a bonus one because I think this lesson is going to take a really long time because I want to be able to teach you how to do the formulas we need for our guess a number game. And those are pretty complicated. So I'm going to pause here, and on your own Google Sheet, practice making if-then statements. So I'm going to put the directions. I'll summarize over here what we did. So 1, type equals if, and then the parenthesis to open it. Then number 2 will be give the statement. So for me, this one was this box equals the word computer. For this one, it was this box equals the number 9. And for this box, I tried to work with less than signs to see if I could get that to work. I'll have to go back and try to finish this one to get it to work. Then number 3, what happens if it is true? So in this one, when this says computer, it says computer. When this is the number 9, this says the number 9. And then number 4 is what happens when it is false. So when this doesn't say computer, like it says dog, it doesn't say computer. And if this said 27, it doesn't say 9. And then we need to 5, put a close parentheses. So we got to put the other end of our parentheses in. And number 6, test it out. And don't forget, if you want the computer to, or Google Sheets to use words, the words always have to be in quotation marks. wherever it is. And you'll see that mine turned green. If I forgot the quotation marks, see how it turned back to black? I want it to be green. Like that. All right. I'm excited to see what you can figure out. If you don't remember the steps, you can always rewatch this video, or you'll notice when I type equals if parentheses, it literally tells me what to do. So it says, all right, put the statement, put what happens if it's true, put what happens if it's false. Good luck.